This is a Hudson Heights 3-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment with an approximately 22 by 17.5 open kitchen living room area that we're looking at right now. There are all stainless steel appliances, plus a dishwasher and microwave. And the kitchen and the baths have granite countertops. This is a first floor apartment, but even on a cloudy day like today, the light is pretty good. So I'm still in this massive living area and walking over towards the first bedroom. All the bedrooms have closets. And again, this is the first bedroom. The apartment is on the first floor, but this is a quiet street because it's not a through street, so there's not very much traffic at all. And then this is the first bathroom. All marble tile. And then around to the second bedroom, which faces some greenery. This apartment, being situated where it is very quiet. Just to show you also that this bedroom has a closet as well. And then going towards the second full bath. I'll turn the light on here just so that you can see the granite countertop and the other fixtures. This was all recently done, so it's a new bath. And then into the third bedroom. The bedrooms face west, so they face west and east. The second bedroom has an eastern exposure. Again, closet in the bedroom. And all the floors look like this. They were recently done. So it's a very quiet, open, newly renovated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath here in Hudson Heights, and it's available now.